Would you still love me the same?
Sick with it, crew.
Would you still love me the same?
DJ Twitch.
Love is the thing someone in this world can bring. World can bring, but when it goes away, it will be a darkest day. Darkest day. She was the love of my life, and I gave her my heart. Gave her my heart, but she left one day as she tore it all apart. Oh, that's why I'm sitting in my room, wondering where my baby's gone. I'm feeling blue. I'm sitting in my room, wondering if she'll come back to my life one day. If I judge for life, man, would you stay by my side? Or is you gonna say goodbye? Can you tell me right now? If I couldn't buy you the fancy things in life, shawty, would it be alright? Come and show me that you do. Now tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Baby, don't lie to me. If I didn't have anything, I wanna know, would you stick around?
My math class, long hair, brown skin with the fat A. Sat beside me, used to laugh, had mad jokes. The teacher always got mad, so we passed notes. It started off so innocent. She had a vibe and then started digging it. I was a young and straight crushing, trying to play the shit cool. But a nigga couldn't wait to get to school. Cause when I seen them thighs on it, and them hips on it, and them lips on it, got me daydreaming, man, what? I'm thinking how she rides on it, if she sits on it, if she licks on it, make it hard for me to stand up. As time goes by, the tracks is getting deeper. Wet dreaming, thinking that I'm smashing, but I'm sleeping. I want it bad, and I ain't never been obsessed before. She wrote a note that said, you ever had sex before? Yeah.